Welcome guys back to another video. Preston's gonna awkwardly sit in the passenger seat and act awkward again. We are going off-roading over at Tahuya in the Olympic Peninsula. In the Bronco again. It is raining out, which is weird because it was 90 degrees out yesterday. Makes no sense. But we're gonna head towards the ferry right now, hop on the ferry, and meet everybody else out there. They got their dirt bikes and their quads out, so it should be a pretty fun day. The rain might be interesting with their dirt bikes. They're gonna get all muddy.
Probably, but that's the fun in dirt bikes.
Yeah, yeah. All right, well, I'll catch you guys as we get closer to the ferry. We just got over to the ferry terminal. We gotta wait in this line and hop on the ferry. But we are set up. Everybody else just got there with the dirt bikes. Apparently it's sunny and not raining, which sounds amazing. So it was 90 degrees over here yesterday. But yeah, Bronco's pretty much ready to go. Still need to order a bunch of stuff for it. Finally on the ferry. Gonna head up to the deck. Slowly making our way there. We have 12 minutes left, and I just love the scenery here on the Olympic Peninsula. It's just, I feel like the trees aren't as tall, like the valley that we're planted, but it's just like calm, 2-lane roads, no traffic. Random little house over there. And the Bronco just like, honestly, for a big ass SUV, it just eats up these roads. Doing 75 on the twisties. What did you say? Where's your truck? This guy here met up with everybody. We're gonna go see if we can find those a trail over there somewhere. I think it's big enough for a car, so. What's that for? Take it with you. See what we can end up doing. What?
I was about to turn around. I was like, I didn't even know if you'd fit back here.
Oh, I'll fit back here.
No, you should have went through there.
I went down the fucking...
They're hella hoopy hoops right there. Didn't Maggie just go back that way? Yeah.
I should have gone down that way.
Some AC.
I know, right?
It's fucking
feels amazing in here.
We were like going to restaurants like, oh, I left my coat here like last week. Like, do you have like, maybe it's here?
In their
like,
AC.
I see it like, oh, it's a black one. Like, see if they have a black sweatshirt. Like, yeah. It's your trailer hitch. Yeah, it's just your hitch. The hitch. That one's steep.
rally driver flying through here. Steve, I can actually. Probably shouldn't go up this side. let me get a picture out there. Holy shit! Ooh. It's cool that the Bronco will like track pretty much where we've been on this map and everything. But yeah, we're gonna try to climb up this. It's pretty sketchy up there. I don't think I'm gonna go all the way up.